Good day, 1 hour customers. We're doing a diagnostic on a gas pack carrier unit. This guy's 25 years old, so we're gonna go by nice and slow, check everything out, clean her up nice and good. Right now, we've got a signal from the circuit board that something's going on, and our blower is running. What I'm gonna do first is come over here to this little junction box. We can get her open. Bear with me for a sec. Sometimes these guys are pain in the butt to open. Finally got it open and our disconnect pulled out. We're gonna go back to this unit. Before we do anything, we're gonna clean up this circuit board here. I like to use a brush that's got taped around all the metal parts so I don't short anything out if I'm working on this. Get underneath the circuit board, get to the sides here, get in here. Very important to keep dust out of your system. Dust acts as an insulation, creating excess heat on components, causing stuff like browning. Yeah, it could also be from usage as well. Quite a bit of dust in here. Got an older style gas valve in here. Alright. Gonna take a look at the blower wheel. Pretty dirty. That can lead to a strain on the capacitor. We've got a piece of sheet metal in here. It's not hurting anything, but let's take that out too. All right. We're gonna put the power on and we're gonna see what's going on. So, found the issue here. We've got a dead motor. Capacitor's completely drained too. We're gonna try and replace the capacitor and see if we can't get this up and running. All right, so we found the issue. The issue is that our inducer motor is completely fried. Even with changing with a brand new capacitor, 5 microfarad. This guy's receiving the 120 volts through here and still not coming on. Unit is 25 years old. Circuit board should be replaced. This should be replaced. So should our capacitor, and we should have this blower wheel taken out and cleaned. With all that money put together, this unit is not worth saving at 25 years. I want to try and save my customer a little money in the long run and then have them replace the system. Thanks for coming along again, and we'll see you next time.